At a first glance, you would be forgiven if you thought a demented relative had turned into the stalker from Alan Partridge and served you tea in a glass with a tablespoon of milk. But no, this drink is a unique number called the Trinidad Sour. The ingredient lineup: Angostura Bitters, make sure you have a lot of this, Rye Whiskey, Orgeat Syrup and fresh lemon juice. And before you ask, why has it got Trinidad in the name and where is the rum? Angostura Bitters is created by the House of Angostura, which are based in Trinidad, hence the name. We're going to kick this off by adding 1.5 ounces, that's 45 ml of Angostura Bitters. I know this sounds absolutely insane that this is our base spirit. Then add 1/2 ounce, that's 15 ml of Rye Whiskey. Follow this up with 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of Orgeat Syrup. And lastly add 3/4 ounce, that's 22.5 ml of fresh lemon juice. Add ice to your shaker and shake for 10 to 15 seconds. This drink was created by Giuseppe Gonzalez in 2009 at the Clover Club in New York City. Double strain this into a chilled coupe glass. With this cocktail, I'm not using the garnish. Feel free to use a lemon twist. The taste test. This is like being punched in the face by a lot of cloves and cinnamon. It has that Christmas spice vibe. The rye amplifies the spiciness and then the bitterness appears and uppercuts you. I'm not picking up on the Orgeat in this one at all. The lemon is faintly there. I know a lot of people who would absolutely love this drink, but this isn't one for me.